To open the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a smartphone and the Fifth Third Bank mobile app downloaded and installed from the App Store. If you have not downloaded the app, go to the App Store on your device. Search for Fifth Third Bank and select the Install option. Once the app is installed, locate the Fifth Third Bank mobile app icon on your device, which is typically found on the home screen or in the Apps folder. Tap the icon to launch the app. You will be taken to the login screen where you will need to enter your user ID and password. If you are a new user, you may need to enroll in online banking or mobile banking by selecting the Enroll option and following the prompts to create a user ID and password. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, select the Forgot User ID or Password option and follow the prompts to recover your information. After entering your user ID and password, select the Login option to access your account information. You may be prompted to answer a security question or receive a verification code sent to your phone or email to add an extra layer of security. Once you have logged in, you can navigate the app to view your account balances, transaction history, and other account information. You can also use the app to transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks remotely. To ensure the security of your account information, always log out of the app when you are finished using it and keep your device and app up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps, you can easily open and use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to manage your accounts on the go.